Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. I'm just another review guy. Today, we're trying out the Blacklight shampoo by Chemical Guys. This shampoo is supposed to bring out the black deepness of the paint. Process we're going to do on this BMW here is we're going to wash the hood first with Maxi Suds shampoo. We're going to dry it. We're going to clay bar it with the heavy clay bar to give it a fighting chance. And then after we do that, we'll apply the Blacklight and we will go ahead and tape off a section of the hood and we'll see if we can see a difference. So guys, stay tuned. Let's do it. Alright guys, so the next step we're going to do is we're going to hit it with the heavy duty clay bar, and we're also going to be using the clay luber to do the hood. So let's do step number 2. Alright guys, so the hood's washed with the Cherry Maxi Suds. It's all dried off. We're going to go ahead and use some blue tape to tape off a portion of the hood. And then we're going to hand wash it with Blacklight shampoo. And we're going to see if it actually enhances the paint or not. Guys, so what I did was I taped off a portion of the hood right here, as you can see, with black tape. We're going to go and wash on both sides with Blacklight soap. We'll pull the tape back and we'll see if there's an actual difference in how bright or deep the paint gets with the Blacklight soap. So let's wash it up. Now we are going to use the Blacklight on the hood. We're going to put about an ounce in the bucket. We only got it half full. They recommend 2 ounces for 5 gallons. We got 2.5. We'll just do one good squirt in the bucket and we'll get to washing. Alright guys, so we just applied the Blacklight shampoo. We used it, dried off the paint, removed the tape, and to be honest, there's not a bit of difference. It didn't change the paint color at all. What's really noticeable is right in here, we use the spot remover. Spot remover removed all the ceramic spray and any wax that may have been left on the hood. You could probably see that in one of the videos where we rinsed it, where it didn't bead up. So on a car that the paint's been, you know, not treated very well, the Blacklight shampoo was no different than the Maxi Suds. Alright guys, so this ends the review on Chemical Guy's Blacklight shampoo, hybrid radiant finish car wash soap. It smelled really good. It set up good. I didn't try it in the foam cannon because I was only washing the hood. But I am going to be using this on a full-size F-150 that we're going to be cleaning. And I may make a little video on that and show you how it works in the foam cannon. I probably will because I love shooting foam cannon. Foam, it's just fun. But, so my 2011 car, the paint's been neglected. You know, I don't wax it every year or every 5 years. But if we did pre-wash it with cherry soap, as you saw, we did clay bar it, get all the contaminants off, so it's nice and smooth now. You can see a little section where I showed you where we tried the heavy-duty spot remover. We cleaned all the spots off. That stuff worked amazing. But where I taped off for the test here today, I didn't notice a difference in the paint color. Not a bit of difference. Not even a little line, nothing. So maybe it works best on cars that have been waxed. We'll come back and we'll review this another time on a car that is waxed. Or when I get my Torque wax machine, I'll wax the hood and then we'll try it again and see how it works. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Links to all the product is in the description below. They are affiliate links on Amazon, so whenever you buy something, it helps me a little bit. I do buy all this product to test and review, so the support helps. Subscribe if you want to see more content, and as always, I'll see you on the next video. Keep on washing. Peace.